What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Araceli and this is aracelichanyt DIY. In my channel you're gonna find tons of DIY inspiration and it's always gonna be on a budget. Now if you guys are into that, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I picked up some placemats from Dollar Tree and I really like these blue and white ones. The only thing was that there was only 3 of the ones that I wanted because the other ones actually had like words on them, and I also like the pastel color ones, but I wanted something a little brighter. And then as I was checking out, I actually saw these and I was able to get 4 of them. Really simple table runner, and I don't like my table runners to go all the way over the table just because it's overstimulating for me. You can sew these if you'd like. Using hot glue works on them perfectly fine. So I'm just gonna remove the tags and then we'll get these glued. Okay, the only thing is that neither side is gonna match, okay? It's the same exact print on all of them, I believe. I guess it's just a little off. None of the ends are gonna match. They're not gonna align. If you can deal with that, you're already winning. Put a silicone mat underneath, that way my glue doesn't get stuck on the table. And then as you can see, I can just pick it up right off of that silicone mat, otherwise it would have just been stuck. I got this decal from Dollar Tree, and at the very last minute I changed my mind for this print. I feel like this print was gonna match this a lot better. Now that I think about it, I should have got that one. And that's okay, there was only 3 of them, so I can't feel too bad, but I definitely feel like this decal was gonna match this one better. So I'm still gonna go with it. I was thinking of using some craft paper to Mod Podge onto these, but I'm just gonna use these decals. I am going to be using the 2 ceramic the ceramic tiles from Dollar Tree. I do that to me felt like nails on a chalkboard, or biting ice cream with your front teeth, a popsicle, which I hate. Oh, I hate that. This instead. And obviously I'm going to be making some coasters with these. Alright, let's go ahead and use a little bit of Mod Podge on this. This next one, I'm going to be using 2 of these Dollar Tree bamboo cutting boards. now I'm going to take some large wooden beads, and then I also have these little wooden angels from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to remove the wings from them. I'm just gluing these with hot glue, and you can use E6000 glue or something stronger if you want to keep it for a long time, okay? I typically reuse my stuff when I can, so you'll see that probably 99% of the time I'm going to be using just the hot glue. All right, there we go. Now you have support in the middle and on both ends, and if you want to make it longer to fit your whole table, you can. Okay, so now to decorate this, I'm gonna take this little wreath, and the store that I bought it has since closed, but I got this for $1. So I'm gonna put this right in the center. Then I also got these candle holders from Dollar Tree. I love these, and I like that they have 3 different sizes. Now let's just go ahead and take the sticker off because these are clear. And then I'm gonna clean them up a little bit. I'm not going to do those because it's not sitting up. It's not standing up straight. I think I have a different idea. I could add like a rubber band, or I could add some glue, but I don't want to because it's see-through and you're going to see all the gunk in there. Okay, this one's gonna be easy. It's just a regular wall art piece from Dollar Tree, and I basically got it for the frame, not so much for the picture. And then I also got these rose wall art canvases. We're gonna glue stuff together. So I really like the frames, and then these were the only square frames that I could find, which go perfectly with these. I actually didn't realize it did have a cover to it. So this is like plexiglass, and it looks like there's like a film to it. So I don't want that. So we're just gonna we'll save the wall art, and then we're just gonna keep this piece right here. I have this craft paper book. I got this at I think it was at Michael's. It was like on sale for $5. I really like that. Now I'm just putting it in contrast to this. And then, and then I saw this one, which I feel like looks better. And I do have 2 pages here. Alright, now I'm going to take that canvas art and I'm going to add some hot glue to it. Enjoyed this video, I would love for you guys to give me a thumbs up, leave me any questions or comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!